This is my Japanese apricot, which really needs some work. All these lanky shoots, they really need to be cut back and establish the good branch structure on the tree again. And some of the branches here are thickening way too much, and you have a big branch here growing out from the front. I should have been over this before because it's gonna leave a big and nasty scar, but it's just gonna be part of this tree's character. I guess it'll be okay. And I actually like the scars. I don't mind them. But in traditional bonsai, you try to not have too many of them, or at least hide them in the back of the tree or somewhere you don't see them. But this one is gonna leave a big one. Maybe I'll change the front in the future or something so I can hide it that way, but for now it's on the front of my tree. This one is very close to the ground. I initially wanted to use it for the tree, but I think it's just for now going to be a sacrificial branch. I'm not gonna use it. I'm definitely going to prune it back so it doesn't get out of hand. This back branch also has a weird structure. This branch is inside the elbow of the tree, which means here you want the branches on the outside of the bend of the trunk so that it looks good and not just cramped inside the elbow of the trunk. So I think I'll remove this one now. The problem is there's a lot of distance between the taper and this, so it's going to be a long area. By the logic I'm giving you here, this one is also a wrong branch. Maybe I should start the tree up here with this one. Difficult decision. And I think I want to cut it off here and begin a new taper with this branch, because here's 3 branches now, and if I try to cut them off and use the rest of the branch, it has already created this, what you call an inverse taper, where it's thicker up here than it is down here, and you don't want that. So I'm gonna cut it off here. And that was not a particularly nice cut. Rarely when I try to save it like this it goes well. You know, it made it even worse. I don't know what to do now. I fucked it up. See, I lost all this bark. This is not gonna be a pretty scar. And it's definitely gonna create an inverse taper where you're gonna have a big spot up here, a big scar which is gonna try to heal. Gonna try again here. Can't be any worse than this top. That's better. Maybe I can bend this one up. I'm definitely gonna try to apply some wound sealer here for it to heal better. And I am gonna try to apply some wire to bend up this taper so that it looks better. The thing I find every time I work with this Japanese apricot is that the bark is very fragile, so the slightest touch you can see the green underneath, and that I think that means it's dead. So I'm quite scared of applying this thick wire to the bark. I'm afraid of damaging it further than I already did. Oh, see, there it happens again. Happens all the time. It's a very difficult species, in my opinion. It already looks like a terrible mess. This is so difficult, this tree is really challenging me. We'll see how it goes. I'm sorry for my incompetence in this video, but there's only one way to learn, I guess. And thanks for watching. A like and a subscribe would really help my channel here.